Top 10 Electronics Store in Columbus. 1. Electronic Repair Shop, 4.9 703 reviews, Morse Rd A. 2. Legit Electronics, 4.9 214 reviews, Cassady Avenue Suite 2. 3. Electrocomm, 4.98 reviews, Switzer Rd. 4. The Computer Store, 4.8 565 reviews, and High Street. 5. TechCraze, 4.8 557 reviews, Sawmill Rd. 6. TechCraze, 4.8 349 reviews, Stelzer Rd. 7. Big Sandy Superstore, 4.7 4,823 reviews, Polaris Pkwy. 8. Camtronics Camera Repair, 4.7 538 reviews, West 3rd Avenue. 9. PayMore Buy, Sell and Trade Electronics, 4.7 349 reviews, Westpointe Plaza Drive. 10. Wholesale Gadget and Repair, Wholesale iPhones, Android, Gadgets and Repairs, 4.7 214 reviews, and High Street.